Good afternoon. We scanned 500 coins today, 74 crossed the line.
Let's look at the big number on our board.
First up, RE. Our tape shows it fell down 5.7% in the last 24 hours, with $486 million in volume and a rank of 298.
Per the dossier, RE is an insurance marketplace for real-world assets on Ethereum. It's a governance token for a protocol that verifies collateral on-chain. A dip in a niche sector often signals capital rotation rather than structural failure, but it is a move.
Next, ONG. The tape records it rose up 66% in the last 24 hours, with $134 million in volume and a rank of 305.
ONG is Ontology Gas, the utility token for on-chain services on the Ontology Layer 1. A 66% jump is extreme. We measure it as a spike. We do not predict its sustain.
A big number ticker FIDD. Our measurement shows it was flat at 0% in the last 24 hours, with $127 million in volume and a rank of 453.
FIDD is the Fidelity Digital Dollar, a USD stablecoin pegged 1-to-1 to the dollar. Stability is its function. The tape confirms it held that peg today.
Fourth, MAGMA. The tape shows it rose up 28.5% in the last 24 hours, with $4 million in volume and a rank of 429.
MAGMA is MAGMA Finance, a DeFi automated market maker on the Sui ecosystem. The move is measured at nearly 30%, but the volume is only $4 million. Low volume often means thin liquidity behind the price.
Final featured coin DGAI. Our tape shows it fell down 2.5% in the last 24 hours, with $167 million in volume and a rank of 252. It is still moving this hour.
DGAI is DGAI, a decentralized AI infrastructure network on BNB chain and Arbitrum. A 2 and a who knows how much percent drop with high turnover suggests active trading, not necessarily a collapse. We measure the activity, we do not judge the intent.
We threw out the mirages of low-volume spikes and the memes of stablecoin stability. We circled the real finds in the insurance and AI infrastructure sectors.
We don't hype it, we measure it. The chain never closes.
That's the show. We're on Spotify and YouTube. If this earned it, like, subscribe, tell a friend. And housekeeping, the machine that writes this gets tuned constantly for cleaner news. The numbers are real, the jokes are not.